Welcome back, folks. Middle of February now. I've been seed sowing, so I'm going to show you what seeds I'm sowing in February, and then at the end I'll just show you a bit of progress on some of the seedlings I've got growing from beginning of January. So let's crack on and have a look. These are some of the seeds I'm going to be sowing in February. So we've got lettuce, oak leaf Navara, oak leaf smile, lettuce mixed, little gem, Tosca onions, they're like the zabroom but white, onion ramrod, they're like a spring onion, Marathon Calabrese, Ironman Calabrese, Musselburgh leeks, celeriac, and two different types of celery, but these are old seeds, so I should just plant the lot. If it comes up, it comes up. If not, I'll have to re-sow. Right, let's crack on and get a few of these planted. Okay, this is oak leaf Navara. That's all the seeds I've got left in the packet. I probably wouldn't put this many in, but I'm going to put them in. They are old seeds, so I'm just going to sow them lightly. Famous last words. I can always give some others down the plot if I've got any spare plants. I put numbers on there and it's in my book what I've got. The other one's oak leaf smile. The smile are a different colour. Good to see those on the soil. Right, I'm just going to cover those with a bit of vermiculite. There we go. So that's how I'm going to do all my lettuce. I'll bring you back when I get on some other sort. Okay, just going to plant the Ironman and the Marathon Calabrese. Going to be using the Agrolan plug trainer. Also, the compost I'm using is Leventon's F2 plus S, and I have pre-soaked these in a water bath. So brush them in. Just drop one seed in each cell. Just put a bit of vermiculite on the top, just cover the seeds. Right, that'll do for them. Right, just going to start planting the Tosca onion seed. I'll put 2 or 3 seeds in each cell, maybe more if I spill them. And also I'm going to be putting some loose in the tray. Come on, just need more than what's in here. I think some of them have got quite a few more. Right, carry on doing these, folks. I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, I'm just going to cover them up with some vermiculite. Right, get those in the propagator. Okay, these are the Musselburgh leeks. I'm trying to put one seed in each one. The odd one's got 2 in it. Might try a few multi-sown, see what the leeks turn out like. I see some other people do multi-sown leeks. Might just give that a go. I'll put a few extra in these. Right, so I've put these in some longer, what do you call them, plugs, container wise. So the onions are in shorter ones. I just need to cover those up. Right, that's my leeks done. Right, that'll do me for seed sowing for today. I'll give you a bit of an update on the other ones I've got coming up. Okay, I bought some of the onions down from home so I can make a bit of room in the greenhouse. So I'll just tell you what they are. These are a Lister with some other red onion. I haven't got the label with me at the moment. Both of those are the same. I've got one of the numbers wrong. I think these are red onion, banana shallots. I think they're called Fuego or something. I'll put the links under here, what it is. And these are red Baron, and those are red Baron. So I grew some in cells. Right, these are some of my giant veg. So these are red cabbage, giant reds, and the others are, there is red cabbage in there. They are Cornish giant, and then some other red cabbage were had off Graham Barrett. These are the giant beetroot. These are off Ian Neal. So these are my chilies, just starting to put a bit of growth on now. Then mixed varieties. The other two are long chilies for Malvern. Those are padron peppers. Okay, that one is celeriac. The other one is giant celery. That's for Malvern as well. Whether it be any good, I don't know. I think these are Kelsey here. Them haven't come up very good round the corner. Okay, these are my giant veg for Malvern. So these are giant carrots. Only got 4 come up out the lot. I think that one's a weed, but I might put some more in. And I put 4 kohlrabi in. I've only got 1. Okay, these are the aubergines. One is Black Beauty, one is Early Long Purple, and these were planted on the 1st of February, so they've come up well. Okay, these are some of the others that I've planted. So this is a calabrese. So one side's Ironman and one's Marathon. And that's 4 days, and they've come up in those old seeds, so pretty happy with that. These are all me other seeds I've sown. This is my potato for the single seed potato challenge, held by Steve. Digwell green fingers. So it's got a few chits on there coming. So I'm just in this big propagator's not on, so just sat in there. I'll show you what potatoes I'm growing another day. Okay, all me seeds and seedlings are all in the Vitaprod propagators. So I have got them set at different temperatures. So I've only got one original thermostat out the lot, out the 4. That one's set at a different temperature. Don't know if you can pick it up, just all flickering. Right. So that was probably one of the original thermostats. The rest are broke, so I've slung them. Not very good quality, the thermostats for me. Right folks, that's going to be it for this one. Thanks all for watching, commenting and subscribing. I hope you like the camellia. Plenty of flowers on there. Right, ta-ra for now.